In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a spark plug wire set on your GMC K1500. This is going to go from the distributor to each spark plug. Let's get started. We're going to remove the two top nuts for our intake. We only have one, you should have two. Lift straight up and remove the intake. We're going to remove the pipe. Ours just pops straight off. You don't need to remove this, I just want a little more room. We're going to start and replace each wire as we go. When you take these wires off, be sure that you're lining them up with the wire that is the same length. All of these wires are going to have a different length, so we want to make sure we're choosing the right wires. Lay them all out on the ground. As you take them off, measure them out, and grab the corresponding wire. We're going to start on our frontmost wire on the passenger side. And we're going to pull that wire off. There's a plastic clamp working our way back. We're going to take the wire out of this clamp. Pull the plastic tab on the side out and off. This is actually supposed to be connected to this bracket right here. So we're going to reinstall that. We're going to pull this wire back, following it all the way. We have another clamp in the back there. Push down on that black tab on top and open it up. Ours popped off the bracket. I'm just going to put it back on. And we're going to continue to follow that wire back. This is going to be for number 2. Pull the wire off the distributor. And remove the wire. We're going to start at the distributor and install our wire, being sure that it clicks down into place. Now we're going to run it towards the front of the vehicle, taking the same path it took to get out. Be sure you run the wire behind the oil dipstick. Push it onto the spark plug. You'll feel a click when it fully seats. And we can install it into our plastic stays, running towards the back. Repeat this process until you have changed all of your ignition wires. Once you have all of your plug wires installed, be sure they're in the plastic stays. We're going to reinstall the clamp, and we'll close the lock in the back. Repeat the same process on the other side. We're going to swap our small wire. It goes right into the middle of our distributor cap. Follow it straight forward. Install it into the middle of the cap. Then pull it around and get it pushed down and locked in. Be sure to reinstall the pipe if you removed it. Make sure the boot gets installed onto the intake. Drop this down into place. Install the top 2 nuts. Snug them down. and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.